McAfee, part of Intel Security, proudly presents the Managed Services Configuration tutorial for McAfee ePolicy Orchestrator, Part 2 of 3, created in conjunction with Crescent City Cybersecurity. The quick start topics that will be covered in this video are client task, software deployment and deployment projects, master repository updates, and endpoint daily updates. In order to deploy a product, you must first create a client task to deploy the product in the client task catalog. Product deployment is a task performed by the McAfee agent, so on the McAfee agent, select Product Deployment and click on New Task. Select the product that you want to deploy. We are going to choose Hosting Choose and Prevention. Name the task Deploy HIPS 8.0.0.2919. It's a good idea to type in the product version number in the task name and click on Save. We're going to create an additional task to deploy VirusScan Enterprise using the same steps. Choose the product, deploy VSE and the version number, and click on Save. Similar to the policy catalog and policy assignments, you must assign the client task to the locations in which you want the task to run. This can be done by using the assigned link in the client task catalog for navigating to the system tree, selecting the location in which you want to assign the task, click on Assigned Client Tasks, and then New Task Assignment. Again, McAfee Agent, Product Deployment, choose the product, and click on Next. For this task, I would like it to run immediately, and click on Save. There is a new feature in ePO 5.1 that allows you to create product deployment projects. Click on Menu, and under a software category, click on Product Deployment. With the Product Deployment project, you can set up a deployment that runs continuously to deploy the product to the groups that you choose. In the name, choose Deploy HIPS and VSE to Medical. If it is a continuous deployment, choose the HIPS package and also choose the VirusScan Enterprise package. Down below, select the Systems and Medical. You can set this to run immediately or run once. Go ahead and click Run Immediately. Everything is set up, and click on Save. In this window, when you click on the project, it will tell you the status of how many are successful, how many have failed, and how many are pending in the system below. If you click on Crescent City Medical, you will notice that under Assigned Client Task, there is a Product Deployment task. Now back in the Client Task catalog, we can also assign client tasks from this menu. Click on Assign, select your location, and click on Next. Choose your schedule and save it. To ensure that your master repository is updated with the current DAT files in the HIPS content, you must schedule a master repository update on the server tasks. Under Server Task, there is an item called Update Master Repository. You want to edit this task and set the schedule to a time that you would like your master repository to be updated. Setting this up early in the morning is preferred when no systems are online and the bandwidth is available. Now, once your ePO server is updated with the latest DAT file and a HIPS content file, you'll want to create a client task for Product Update. McAfee Agent is the product that will update all your systems. So, under McAfee Agent, choose Product Update, New Task. We will name this Daily Update, select the packages that you want to update, and click on Save. Once you have created your daily update client task, you will need to assign it. In the Client Task catalog, click on Assign. Choose the location where you want this client task to be applied. In our case, My Organization, so all systems in the subgroups will be updated. Then, click on Next to set a time. We will choose Schedule Type Daily, 8 a.m., and Randomization Type. We do this so all the systems don't get updates at the same time. Also check Run this task, set a 15-minute delay, and save this task. In the system tree on their assigned client task at the My Organization level, you will notice that there is a client task called Daily Update that has now been assigned. All systems below inherit this task. This concludes Part 2 of the MSP Quick Start video. For more information about optimizing your configuration, please contact your Intel Security Channel Manager.